What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Swerve with another video. As y'all can see, I'm in that thing once again, filming. Right now, what we about to do, I don't know if y'all can see in the back there, but we got some wheel spacers that came in recently. So I'm about to go get those installed to my car. Should change so much to the car, because every time I look at my car, like from the back or from the front, the wheels are always so in. Look, I'm gonna get out and show y'all that shit. Look at it from here. Can't even see the wheel. Can't even fucking see the wheel. And from the front, same thing. Same thing, front and back. Right now, I'm about to head over to my wrap shop to fix a few minor details that I spotted, and we're gonna get those installed while we're over there too. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications if y'all new. And another thing I'm gonna show y'all, I'm about to surprise y'all with. I'm about to head over to my man's crib right now. Something we've been waiting for a very long time has arrived today, man. It has arrived. So yeah, I got 15s for the front for the wheel spacers and 20s for the back. So yeah, it should be a huge difference. Should be able to finally see that wheel. And then I'm gonna try to lower my car after that, and then yeah, but yeah, make sure I stay in tune for the video. And yeah, I'm about to head over to my man's crib right now. What's that, bro?
It's in the box.
It's for me? My birthday? 3 months later? Like, we're not ordering from them again, bro. Thanks, man. Appreciate the birthday gift once again. But yeah, y'all, my mirror caps finally came in. After 3 months of waiting and hard work, we got the job done. So I got wheel spacers, mirror caps, everything ready to install. So yeah, man, we about to go up to the wrap shop to have them look at my car and shit, at the little minor details and shit that I spotted. And yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get over there. So we have now arrived to the shop. Let me show y'all, feel me, what we got now. Type B. We active now, man. We active, so we at the shop right now. You see he pulling out the, feel me? So yeah, I'm about to go in there and we about to, feel me? We about to do what it do, Type B. So we're now inside, as you can see. About to get some touch-ups and looks in. Spacers. And yeah, I see a little difference now from these. And then the tires. Should look better. Like, it's always the little things. Always the little things that look better. And it's gonna be one of them. And then probably look at a few other things, like little stuff like this. Like, I don't know if they can see that, but just little things like that in the car. So you better look at a few of the little minors and we're gonna get right. So right now they got me in a little waiting area. I'm in a little waiting area with some TV vibing. Cause they said it might take about like 2-3 hours cause they gotta remove my front bumper to take a look at why it's like loose. I'm gonna put a little clip right here and show y'all what I'm talking about when I mean loose. Another thing as well, this side of the bumper feels a little loose compared to this side. It looks like it's Nothing's moving. It looks properly put on. But yeah, then they ordered new screws for my front lip because my front lip didn't have any screws after they took it off. What else? The wheel spacers, the mirror caps. And yeah, so now I'm chilling in here on my dolly. Oh, internet don't even work. I can't even watch no TV right now. I mean, I'm about to chill out here. I did get some food because I knew something was going to be like, something was going to take long. But yeah, I don't have, that shit's in my car right now. Yeah, so I'm going to chill out in here until my car's ready. This car is a pain. Carbon spoiler. I don't know if they can see, but steering wheel. Steering wheel carbon. Carbon front lip. Bronze calipers. This is a good combo right here. Even though we big BMW, this is a decent Benz. Yeah, it's a huge difference in the back. You know, I can see my tire. Back here, I can't see nothing. So I currently have some bad news. I'm currently leaving the wrap shop because they tried to put the mirror caps on and them shits couldn't fit, bro. I'm gonna show you guys when I get to cause I'm heading to a body shop right now to see if they could fix it. But I'm gonna show you guys, like, there's a little piece that's blocking it. That's not letting the light go inside the mirror cap itself. So, yeah, when I get to the body shop, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Let me know which, if y'all received mirror caps and y'all had this on it, and what y'all did to fix it down in the comments. But I'm about to go to a body shop, see if they could like shave it off or something. But yeah, after I do that, I'm gonna go back to them. Hopefully, I'm trying to make it there by 5. It's 5 o'clock right now. They close at 5:30. I'm trying to make it there as quick as possible, see what they could do for me at the moment. After that, I'm gonna show y'all the results of the wheel spacers and stuff like that. But I currently am heading to a body shop. So I'm gonna pick y'all up, take the mirror caps out of my trunk and show y'all how it look and what the problem is, and we gonna see if they can fix it. So yeah, I'm at the mechanic now. Here's the mirror caps. See that little piece right there? That's the piece that's, you know, fucking up everything. So I'm about to go in here, about to go inside here now and see what they're gonna tell me. I'm gonna leave the camera in my car though, so I'll tell y'all what they say when I get out. So yeah, they just blessed. They just held it down, man. No more blockage. So now we're about to head over to, So now we're about to head back to the wrap shop. Now hopefully they can put it on. And hopefully I didn't wait 3 months for this bullshit to happen to me. So I'm going back there right now. So we're back at the shop right now. As y'all can see, he's, ooh, zoom in. About to see right now if this shit can fit. If it don't, I'm gonna be so mad, bro. I waited since March for these mirror caps. If they don't end up fitting after finally getting them, I'm gonna rage, bro. I'm gonna rage. I am going to rage, but we're about to see. Hopefully it fits. Shouldn't be no issue. But if there is an issue that comes up, should be fixable, in my opinion. So, yeah. Hopefully you're enjoying this video so far. So make sure y'all once again like, comment, subscribe, turn on those noties. The tunes is coming real soon. That's all I'm gonna say. The tunes is coming soon. So right now, as y'all can see, I'm in Smoothie King. About to give me a fucking smoothie real quick. I left the wrap shop a little while ago, not too long ago. And I'm very pleased with these results. I can't lie. I'm gonna take some pictures. I want to get a car wash, but it's kind of late. So I'm gonna just go home for now. Take some pictures of the filming. And yeah, when I get this smoothie, I'm gonna show you how everything looks. So as you can see from the front, I can spot a huge difference walking up to my car. And also did just get the smoothie, but look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at it from one angle. Look at it from here. Oh my goodness. Huge difference. Huge difference. Then you see I got the carbon mirror caps. I'm really loving how this car is coming together. I mean, so now as you guys can see, we're at the car wash right now. But look at that fucking fitment now, bro. Oh my God, beautiful. I'm at some new car wash right now. So hopefully this car wash gets the job done, because I see my shit dirty. And yeah, let me put this camera on so my shit don't get wet. So yeah, I just finished washing my car. I'm fucking hot as shit right now, bro. I'm about to head to the crib. Make sure y'all once again like, comment, subscribe. And stay tuned for new videos, man. We finna go crazy. I say this every time. We're gonna keep going crazy every time I post. I'm gonna be way more consistent now. It's gonna be a fucking movie. Just get this removed. G45 with the 308 little. If it don't, there's no little boom. 308 clip like a limit of bullets. You just clear the whole room.